Good morning, YouTube. Today on my outdoor workbench, I have a Kobalt 80V Brushless blower. The one with the impeller. So I've taken the liberty of removing all of the screws, so it should just come apart. There we go. Back covers come off, and we got our fan in there. Yep, still spins. For reference, I got this from our local recycling place, so apologies for that. I'll just take it apart and we'll see what's inside. Here we go. After removing all 10,000 screws which are on my bench, we have access to the internals. And it looks like all of the main power electronics for this device are mounted to this one little bit of metal inside of the vent. It looks like the motor's mounted to here, the control unit and all the wiring is all attached here, which actually makes sense because it's a really good way of cooling itself. So I'm going to see if we can take this apart even further. I'm just going to go out a bit here. Oh, it's all coming apart. There we go. Look at that. That is cool looking. So just for size reference, that's my hand. So this is a relatively large fan. So it's called an EDF, electric ducted fan, I believe. And they make a lot of noise. I'm not sure about their efficiency, but this looks really cool, so I'm happy. Yeah, there's really not much more to see here because we've got our throttle up the front. I think it's a variable speed. I haven't actually tested this because I don't have the battery, I just have the fan. But looks like a variable speed. You got different like power modes. But apart from that, the real interesting thing for me is just this. I'm going to see if I can make something out of it. Does this cone come off? Just trying to see if there's anything else I can actually take apart to show you. That might be it. Yeah, I'll see if I can get this board out so we can have a look under here. But apart from that, I don't think there's much more to take apart. So because this is all potted, I'm not going to take it any further apart. I will try and remove this board for myself later, because I think this EDF will make something very interesting. It looks like it has a decent amount of power just by the size of the motor, or at least the motor housing. That's about it for this video. That's really the only interesting stuff inside here, apart from this battery mount and all. I might keep that, but I really don't come across the batteries for this too often at any of the recycling places, so I think I'll just take this apart and see if I can make something out of it. Thanks for watching.